You're gonna put your name and class code at the top, pick what colors you're going to do. You wanna start with the inside of the mouth so that you can hold onto the outside, get in all the nooks and crannies. Make sure you clean your brush in between colors. Then you wanna go ahead and paint all of your attachments so you can hold that body. Going in, making sure you're getting all of those nooks and crannies, rinsing your brush in between colors, and then you're gonna go in and get that last part on the body, taking your time and making sure you clean your brush off in between each color. When you receive your paints, they're going to look like this. You have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, white, and brown. You're trying to keep each color so they look like this as you're working through class. That's why you have this kit here. We have clean paint brushes, we have our rinse cups, and our cleaning cups. So as you're using a color, say I'm using purple painting, and then I need to clean it, I'm gonna find a cup, I'm gonna rinse, 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 wipe, 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 rinse, 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 wipe, 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 and then do one more rinse here to make sure it's clean. Now, as you're doing this, these are going to get really dirty. That's why we're saving this and this to clean our brushes. While you're painting, once you want to get paint off, you're going to find the color, you're going to rinse, wipe, rinse, and then clean it off with the clean water. I'm gonna rinse, 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 wipe any extra off the edge, wipe here to check it, and then a last rinse. And then you can wipe off that extra water because you don't want your paintbrush to be really wet or your paint will start to drip. When you're choosing your paintbrushes, look at what you're painting. If you're painting something smaller, choose a smaller brush. If you're painting something bigger, like the inside of the mouth, you could possibly use a larger brush. Make some of your rinse cups warm colors and some cool colors. This will keep them fairly clean as you're working and your colors will stay nice and vibrant. Starting with the inside of your pinch pot will give you something to hold on to. As you're doing the inside, you might want to have your brush be a little bit damp. It'll help spread the colors. You don't really want your brush to be damp when you're painting the outside because you don't want the colors to drip. As you paint each color, make sure that you mark them off as you go. You might decide that you want a color to be more vibrant, and then after it dries, paint another coat. After you paint all of your attachments, you want to grab your piece with 2 fingers and try to leave those fingers there while you paint, going around every single nook and cranny that you can get to, trying to turn it as you go. Then once you can't get any more pieces and you have to put it down, you're going to put it down and then just carefully, if the inside is dry enough, hold the inside and paint around the edges.